Ever wondered how you can maintain a beautiful garden even in dry conditions? Enter water-wise gardening, a smart approach that embraces drought-tolerant plants. These hardy beauties thrive with less water, making your garden resilient and stunning. Well, we have the perfect solution for you: drought-tolerant plants. Let's dive into our list of the top 5 drought-tolerant plants. First up is the cacti. These spiky beauties are the poster children of drought resistance, thanks to their ability to store water in their thick, fleshy tissues. Cacti come in various shapes and sizes, adding an exotic touch to your garden. Next is lavender. This fragrant plant is not just pretty, it's also incredibly tough. Lavender thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Its silvery foliage and purple blooms create a stunning contrast in any garden setting. Third on our list is sedum, also known as stonecrop. This succulent plant is a real sun worshipper. Sedum's water-storing leaves and beautiful star-shaped flowers make it a perfect addition to your water-wise garden. Moving on, we have echinacea. With its large, vibrant flowers and medicinal properties, echinacea is a powerhouse plant. It's drought-tolerant due to its deep root system, which helps it access water far beneath the soil's surface. Last but not least, we have the agave. This plant is a true desert dweller. With its rosette of tough, sword-shaped leaves, agave can withstand the harshest dry conditions. These plants not only survive dry conditions, but also add a unique charm to your garden. So, are you ready to transform your garden into a water-wise oasis? In our journey today, we've explored the significance of water-wise gardening and the remarkable benefits these drought-tolerant plants bring. They're not just resilient, but also add a unique charm to your garden, all while conserving water. Remember, every drop counts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!